They've been entrenched in our day-to-day lives, but from next year, mobile phones will be banned in NT public schools. It's hoped the blanket policy will help reduce distractions in the classroom and help tackle the issue of cyberbullying.
From day one, term one next year, the Territory's public schools will be a no-phone zone.
Whether that's from teachers, whether it's principals, whether it's families, it seems to be constantly about the interruption, the disruption that mobile phones have.
Primary school students won't be allowed to bring phones to school or will have to leave them at the front office, while high schoolers will be expected to have the devices turned off and packed away during school hours.
It's about making sure that our students during class time are focused on teaching and learning in their classrooms.
Probably the last 5 years, as that technology's been handed down from the parents, we've definitely seen an increase in the distraction that it provides.
It's also hoped the ban will help towards minimising the occurrence and impact of cyberbullying. In 2021, a study by the eSafety Commissioner found 44% of young Australians reported having a negative online experience in the last 6 months, including 15% who had received threats or abuse online.
It's such an unfiltered environment for young people that sometimes it's hard for us oldies as parents and as teachers to keep up with what they're actually doing.
While the move is likely to be warmly welcomed, research suggests a blanket ban on mobile phones can actually contribute and cause more issues after school.
As soon as they're out of the school gates, they pull out their phone or their device and they actually spend a lot longer on there, and they're on there a lot more intensely to try to catch up for what they've missed.
Dr Orlando has welcomed online safety education, but is urging schools to do more around creating healthier habits.
So banning mobile phones doesn't necessarily help students to use technology better. It just bans it or makes what they do hidden. We need to introduce new things into the curriculum to help them to manage and use technology better.
The department will provide more information ahead of the new school year. Kathleen Gazzola, 9 News.